When we first picked up the keys, it wasn't just about the house. It was about what this place could become, and how, in building it, we might quietly rebuild ourselves too. Every decision we make, the colour on the walls, the time we take sanding, painting, pausing, it's not just design, it's direction. We're not just shaping a home here, we're shaping a life that feels slower, calmer, more rooted. One where Sunday mornings smell like coffee and lavender, where the front garden makes you smile when you come home. A home that doesn't rush you into perfection, but welcomes you into progress. Renovating is messy, it's tiring, and it doesn't always go to plan. But I've come to love the process because it's reminded me that a meaningful life doesn't have to be loud or fast. It just has to feel like you. I'm Leah, welcome to number 95, where we're renovating our home and slowly, intentionally creating the life we've always wanted, right here.